And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
More details this evening about the 3 men fatally shot by police in Runaway Bay, St. Anne last night.
According to the police, the men were in the parish to undertake a contract killing.
This is the spot in Backstreet, St. Anne, which was the scene of an alleged raging gun battle between gunmen and the police Wednesday night. TVJ News understands that the lawmen had been hot on the trail of the men who reportedly journeyed from Kingston to St. Anne to carry out a contract killing. In what the police describe as an intelligence-led operation, the Toyota Probox the men had been traveling in was intercepted in the area. It was then that the lawmen were fired at and an alleged shootout ensued. It's understood 3 of the men were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. A 4th person is believed to have escaped. It's further understood that an AK-47 assault rifle and a 9mm pistol were seized during the incident. So far, only one of the deceased men have been identified. He's 38-year-old Dickie Bonnick of Runaway Bay, St. Anne. He'd been out on bail in relation to an October 2020 murder for which he was jointly charged. The man who confessed to the killing was also murdered. Bonnick appeared in court on Friday, May 30, 2025 in relation to the killing. However, the matter was postponed until January 8, 2026. Of note, the bail conditions for Bonnick prohibited him from being in the parish of St. Anne, mandated him not to interfere with witnesses, and required him to report to the Maypen police station in Clarendon 3 times per week. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
And the police